Hello teachers, I know some of you are getting a little frustrated when it comes to email or text message notifications coming up on your screen, especially if you're mirroring things through your Apple TV and then an email flashes up. You don't want students to see that. So if you would like to turn those notifications off, continue to watch this video. So on your MacBook, all you have to do is go down here to this gear, and this is System Preferences, and it will bring up a menu. You want to click on Notifications. Once you click on it, you can find what you want to turn the notifications off for. So for instance, I'm going to go down here to my mail and I can select, do I want to receive alerts with banners? Do I want none? I'm going to go ahead and select none. On messages, if I have my text messages linked to my MacBook, I'm going to go ahead and select none as well. Another one you might want to turn off is FaceTime. If you have those banners coming up, if a FaceTime comes through on your MacBook while you're in class, you might not want that, so you can hit none as well. You can pretty much turn off all notifications for anything on your Mac. It's the same thing when it comes to your iPad. All you need to do is go to Settings, and then you're going to click on the Notifications tab. And here you can select any of these to turn off the notifications for. So for instance, if I go to Messages, I can go ahead and turn off Allow Notifications. I can change all of those modifications. Same thing with your email. I can turn off Allow Notifications so those don't pop up. I personally like to go into Messages, and I have actually turned off my iMessage, because if I have a text message coming to my phone, I do not want that message to come to my MacBook or even to my iPad because it's a personal text message. Good luck turning off your notifications, and just take a deep breath. Remember, you got this.